Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to verify your Rainbet account so you can start betting safely and withdraw without any issues. Alright, so first things first, open rainbet.com and log in with your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and click your profile icon. From there, you'll see an option called verification. Go ahead and click that. Now, the first level is personal information. Just fill in your name, birthday, address, city, and postal code. Make sure this info matches your official documents. Otherwise, your verification might get rejected later. Next is ID verification. You'll upload a valid ID, like your passport or driver's license, and then do a quick selfie check. Make sure your face is clearly visible and your ID photo isn't blurry. After that comes proof of address. You can use a utility bill, rental agreement, or any document that shows your name and address clearly. And then finally, you'll upload a document showing your source of income. That could be a payslip, tax return, or even a contract. Once you've uploaded everything, just hit submit and wait. Usually it takes less than a day for Rainbet's team to review your details. When you're approved, your account will show a verified badge. And yeah, that means you're good to go. And that's it. That's how to verify your Rainbet account the right way. If this helped you out, tap like, subscribe, and check out the next one for more quick tutorials.